Welcome to your dream home in Riverside. This stunning property boasts 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a spacious 1,193 square feet of living space spread across 2 stories. Built in 1999, this home exudes charm and character with its cozy fireplace, granite countertops, and central air conditioning for those hot California days. Step outside to your own private oasis with a fenced yard and a sparkling in-ground pool perfect for entertaining friends and family. Enjoy summer barbecues on the patio or relax in the shade of the palm trees swaying in the breeze. With a 3-car garage, there's plenty of space for all your vehicles and storage needs. The modern kitchen features a dishwasher and range oven for easy meal prep. This property truly has it all. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this house your forever home.